COOCEER hearing aids. Comes in a nice small box. Compact. Simply open up. The blue lights are there. Stick them in your ear. They're very easy to put in. Once they come out, they're in the off position. When you long press for 3 full seconds, they turn on. You don't even know you have hearing aids in. The case recharges 5 times your hearing aids. It fits into your pocket. It has 2 types of scene modes, indoor and outdoor. You simply tap, tap twice quickly, and they'll change from indoor mode to outdoor mode and back and forth. You have 6 levels of hearing from low to high. They are short presses on individually each of the unit. So if you want to listen from level 1 to level 6, you'll give a beep for each level until you maximize to the 6th level with 2 beeps and cycles back to level number 1. So we're here watching TV and conversation with members. We want to hear the member. We could turn our hearing aids on to a higher level so we could listen to the sound of the TV as well as hear the member. I still can't hear you. Hold on. Let me raise up the volume.
Can we go to the store today?
Sure, we could go to the store. Yeah, I'm ready. You got it. Yep.
Okay.
So here I am. I basically open it up. Then we're in a noisy traffic environment. I put the hearing aids on. Long press for 3 seconds. I hear my beep. And I'm ready to go. Having a conversation. What did you say before?
I said, look at all the traffic there is.
I thought you said we were supposed to go out somewhere, but here we are at the, place we're sitting.
Yeah, but we're watching the traffic flow.
And there you have the hearing aid. The hearing aids are not Bluetooth enabled for smartphones. Use your speakerphone in order to hear. The COOCEER KV701. You get 26 hours of continuous use at 60% of its volume, with a total of 130 hours of use, 5 times charging, 2 hours of full recharge. Everything you get in the kit, your USB-A to USB-C charging cable, your AirPods, your cleaning brush, 2 sets of domes, 1 already on, to complete 3 sets. To change out the dome is simply grabbing the microphone and pulling off the rubber, taking the size that fits your needs, and slipping on over and pressing on, as simple as that. Easy to clean by removing the dome and using the brush to clean. In our demonstration, we're going to show you how the unit turns on, changes the sound environments and the volume. It's important not to cover or grab near the mic as feedback reverb will happen. What we'll do is place the microphone near the earpiece, and in the distance we'll give a chat. The earpiece should pick me up nice and comfortable by the bench where all is set up. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're looking for a pair of Bluetooth look-like hearing aids for your needs, for parties, living room, TV watching, in a group conversation, and more. These may be something that you are interested in. Please check online for further details about your product, and thank you for viewing.